Okay, we're going to be making a cable chain stitch today. So I've taken my thread and I've put a knot in it, and then we're going to come up. It's anchored in place, and then we want to take the thread and wrap once around the needle and then go down into your fabric, pull it taut a little bit. And what you want to do is grab a small amount of fabric like that with your needle, and then take your thread just underneath, and then as you push your needle through, it should pull taut and you have an anchor stitch and then a cable loop. So we'll do that again. So we want to go around the needle once, down into the fabric, and pick up a small length of fabric and then bring the thread underneath the needle and then pull it through. You don't want to pull too tight with this stitch because you want to ensure that you actually have some open chain links. So just a little tug to apply some tension, and then back down and through and then under, like that. This chain stitch, open chain stitch, works best with a slightly thicker thread, but you can use a fairly thin one like I am here. I've chosen a nice bright colour so it's easy for you all to see. I would also say with this stitch, because you're having to actually grab an amount of the fabric with the needle, it is much more effective to use a slightly thinner fabric. The one I'm using here is quite robust and it's the one that I normally do my tutorials on, but it's possibly not as effective for this type of stitch. But as you can see, it still makes nice open chain links. I'm going to go round again, down, and grab an amount of fabric and under the needle. I'll do that once more and then I'll show you how to finish this stitch off. So we take the thread, it's around the needle, down into the fabric, grab an amount and then put your thread underneath the needle just like that, and then you pull through. Now to finish this stitch off, all you have to do is just find your anchor point, and you want to go straight down, and again just give a gentle tug just to apply some tension, and that is a cable chain stitch.